Welcome back to CKP Tronics. Today we have a 2013 Ford Transit here. This is a long wheelbase, I believe. So yeah, I'm going to show you today how to change the dipped bulb, which is the light in this little corner here, which will result in a fault on your dash. So what you want to do is obviously open your bonnet here, and you can see there's a, let's take this bulb to the side here. This is what the bulb looks like anyways. Got these two little nipples on the side and one connector. These little nipples act as your ground, and then this is actually your positive. So that's why there's only one wire on the connector. So it's not this rubber piece here or here, it's actually on the side. So getting in here is a bit of a nightmare, especially on this side. I believe on this side it's not too bad, actually it's phenomenal. So if you have on the driver's side, you're lucky, you have a lot of space. But you know yourself, on the coolant side and fuse box side, it's always a pain. So I can't even get the cover fully off. But what I did is I folded it back, and I'm gonna try and get my camera in here just so you guys can see. But there's a little latch, believe it or not. You can see that latch there. I actually have it pulled back. I'll try and get my hand in there. This latch here is latched and it holds the bulb down. They need to be pushed down and around. And I actually just put that on. So there you go. Getting this off is going to be hard. So push that back. The connector needs to be pulled off first, then latch undone, and the bulb can then come out. To put the bulb back in, you want to get this connector out of the way. There you go. Okay, I didn't do anything. So anyways, get that out of the way. Have a free roamed space there, and you can actually see the connection for the ground right there. That's where them two nipples go. One right there, I'll show on the video, and one there. And then once that's in, focus in there again. Then you reapply the latch. Latch comes back down over it, and then the connector on top. Make sure to properly seal the rubber around this wall so that no moisture gets inside. Once that's done, once you start your vehicle there again, the fault should be gone. So I'll show you guys right now what the fault looks like. Oh jeez. Let me see if I can find the key. See him there now. There we go. Here you go. And we're going to put in the new bulb, and we're going to return to the van, and we're going to see if that changes.